Welcome to Rustic Roots Build. Today, I'm taking you on a thrilling journey of building a modern treehouse solo, high up in the serene forest. From carving spiral stairs around the trunk to installing a stove for warmth during the freezing winters, every single step has been completed single-handedly. Stay tuned to experience how simple wood transforms into a dream sanctuary deep within the heart of nature. Small wooden planks are being perfectly placed one by one on the brackets as stair treads, creating an aesthetic spiral pathway around the tree that makes the entrance to the house easier and more attractive. A powerful drill and large bolts are being used to permanently fasten the main beams to the tree trunk, allowing it to withstand several tons of weight without vibration and significantly increasing the house's durability. Naturally curved tree branches are being used to build the stair railing, ensuring extra safety and balance while climbing high up and maintaining a forest-themed look for the house. Small wooden joists are being placed at precise intervals within the main frame to maintain the floorboard's balance, providing extra stability to the upper floor and making it feel much more solid when walking inside the house. The floorboards are being specially cut according to the irregular shape of the tree branches, allowing the tree to naturally extend through the center and giving the room a true treehouse feel. Wood is being installed vertically for the wall frames, after checking the right angles to ensure the correct geometric structure of the room and to prevent any inconsistencies when fitting the roof. The walls around the floor are being covered with high-quality wooden planks to completely isolate the room from external dust and snowfall, making it possible to keep the interior comfortable during winter. A hammer and nails are being used to firmly secure each wooden plank to the frame, turning it into an enclosed and safe structure that will remain intact even during stormy winds and heavy rains in the forest. Corrugated metal sheets are being firmly secured to the roof with screws to make it durable and to provide complete waterproof protection for the entire house against snow or rain. A chimney pipe is being fitted through a hole in the wall to expel smoke from the stove, ensuring the room remains free of toxic carbon monoxide and the air inside always feels fresh and pure. The gap between the tree trunk and the roof is being sealed with bitumen or waterproof adhesive to prevent any water from seeping into the room, protecting the wooden furniture from being damaged. High-quality insulation boards are being fitted inside the walls and roof to keep the interior temperatures stable during winter, making the house habitable and warm even in the bone-chilling cold outside. A white plastic vapor barrier layer is being attached over the insulation to prevent moisture from accumulating inside the walls and rotting the wood, while keeping the internal airflow regulated at a certain level. The interior walls are being beautifully decorated with smooth, polished wooden panels to provide a clean and aesthetic interior finish, making the room brighter and more livable. A layer of silver foil and foam is being applied to the floor to completely block the freezing cold air from below and to keep the floor warm and comfortable for walking. The final floorboards are being firmly secured over the insulation with screws to complete a smooth and sturdy flooring surface, giving the house a modern and clean appearance. A long wooden plank or handrail is being installed on top of the balcony frame to ensure the area remains safe and secure. This will help prevent accidental falls while enjoying the view from such a height and adds extra structural strength and a more organized look to the exterior finishing. durable bed frame is being crafted using solid wooden planks and large logs to ensure a strong and comfortable place for resting throughout the night. An antique-style iron stove is being perfectly installed in a corner of the room to keep it warm during extreme winter and to allow cooking inside if necessary. A wide and heavy wooden log is being cut and firmly fixed to one side of the wall with brackets to create a permanent table that can be used for multiple purposes, like studying or dining. This treehouse project, built piece by piece in the silence of the forest, has finally reached completion. I would love to hear your thoughts on this solo journey of turning a dream sanctuary into reality in the comments below. To stay connected with our world of rustic builds, please subscribe to Rustic Roots Build and join our community. Your likes and shares inspire me to take on even bigger challenges. See you in the next episode with another story of craftsmanship. Thank you all for watching.